And so let's see. You know, another thing about grocery outlet, they're so nice. You know, I like to shop where the clerks and everybody is nice. You know, I don't always do that though. I shop in some places that I won't describe as nice. Okay, so now here is my total. And so I asked the girl, do you mind if I bag my own, you know, so I could. So this food was $7.10. I'm shopping, you know, if you have enough patience and you can shop this way, you know, just browse around for a good deal. These will taste yummy with my top ramen. And you know, don't buy a bunch of junk you don't need, but you know, these will be tasty with my gravy, and I got them so cheap too. And you know, I try to eat beans once a week. This week's gonna be lima beans, and then you know, my 2 cookies. I will freeze them. And then one night, you know, when I'm drinking tea, voila. Okay, and you see I have Max. He goes everywhere with me. Good purses, good sunglasses. You know, life is so much more pleasant. Okay, God bless you.